Hello everyone, this is our lesson plan. So the objective, as you can see, is to enable students to write an article about the characteristics of cell phones to their school magazine. So this is the objective. It contains, as you can see, the answers of questions like what and who, and something like that. So these are the materials we are going to focus on or to employ: student textbook and the board. So for the stages concerning the preparation stage, so there is a leading question. We are going to ask students how do you communicate with friends. So we are going to elicit from them, and for sure we are going to ask them about the best way to communicate or the best tool to use for communication with friends, and they are going to talk about mobile phone. So this is going to take something like 3 minutes, no more than 3 minutes. And for the rationale, this is a kind of warm-up and preparing students for the lesson. So the understanding phase, understanding stage, students are going to read the text and answer the questions we have in task number 1. So for analyzing, we are going to give students 4 characteristics, and students are going to classify them in the chart. Task number 2, we are going to give them listen to music, watching videos, and live small. So we are going to give them the floor to classify these 4 let's say characteristics in the task or in the charts in task number 2. And then clarifying stage, correcting stage, students are going to work in pairs and try to add more characteristics, because here we gave them only 2 characteristics, and at this stage they are going to add more characteristics from their own. So for this task is going to take 5 minutes, and for the mode work is going to be pair work, as you can see. For planning, students are going to brainstorm ideas, write sentences using the information in the previous chart, in this chart. Okay, so they are going to use the information in form of words or maybe ideas or collocations to turn them into sentences. So this is for planning, and it's going to take them something like 10 minutes. So for drafting, students are going to write the first draft using the sentences they wrote in the planning. And this is going to take 10 minutes. And for editing, so the teacher is going to provide students with a checklist to use for pair correction. So students are going to change their writing to pair corrects. And the last stage, which is revising, students are going to write the final draft, taking into consideration the pair correction or the ideas provided by their mates in the pair correction. So for publishing, this is going to take something like 10 minutes. And by the way, this one can also be given as a homework to be done at home if, for example, there is a time constraint here. For publishing, so students are going to publish their work in a wall magazine or in a school magazine. They can also share or publish their writing on a Facebook page or a group if there is one. Okay, so this is our lesson plan.
Thank you.